They say that the best things in life are hard to find. Well, not anymore. Medici, nestled in the heart of Nottingham, UK, is just over half a mile from the Nottingham Trent University campus, making it the perfect accommodation for students. This brand new property offers a wide range of spacious cluster bedrooms and studios for you to choose from. Every room comes with a private ensuite shower room, study desk, wardrobe, and ample storage. With amazing facilities like a fully equipped gym, high-speed Wi-Fi, and on-site laundry, you'll never have to go elsewhere. The common areas are great to socialize with your friends or finish your daily assignments with a cup of coffee. Located amidst the Lace Market, Medici is surrounded by multiple shops, restaurants, and bars for you to explore. Visit Bunkers Hill and Annie's Burger Shack for delicious food and a fancy dine-in experience. You can also have a chilled weekend with your friends at the National Ice Center or go on a thrilling rock climbing experience at the Depot Climbing Nottingham. With so many places to visit, you will never run out of things to do here. Don't delay your happiness. Book your room at amberstudent.com now.